In my last video, I showed you that you were using castor oil the wrong way. And many of you heard me. But here is what I did not show you. And it has been keeping me up at night. I didn't show you actually how to make your very own castor pack. Because right now, millions of people are still doing that part wrong. The cloth is wrong. The oil is wrong. The method is wrong. And they have no idea. So by the time this video ends, you are going to walk away knowing exactly how to make your very own castor oil pack the right way. The way that actually works. The way I use with my own clients. So I need you to stay with me because this is the video that you need to see. So my name is Debbie Williams. For many of you who don't know me, I am a board certified nutritionist and I have spent almost 20 years or more working with women and men on liver health, gut health, hair loss, and skin issues. And after so many of you watched my last video and I went through every single comment, you would know that because I responded to you personally. Every question I found, there were, I would say, a lot of mistakes, but there were 4 mistakes that were turning up a lot. And this mistake it's powerful because it can affect how you're using your castor oil. And the thing about it is castor oil is one of the most natural and powerful remedies on the planet, but we were turning it into an expensive, oily, disappointing mess. So let's get into the mistakes and let me show you how to make one. So mistake number 1, and this one hurts me because it's the most common. You are using the wrong castor oil. I don't care if it was a $6.99 bottle at the drugstore. I don't care if the bottle looks nice. If it does not say organic, cold pressed, and hexane free, put it down. Put it down right now. Okay, because hexane is a petroleum-based solvent used to extract oil from the castor bean. And when you apply that oil directly over your liver, an organ that is filtering your blood right now as you're watching this, you are absorbing chemical residue straight into the tissue you are trying to heal. Now, that is not a detox. That is adding to the toxic load your liver is already carrying. So, the castor oil you want comes in a dark glass bottle, not plastic, not a can. Dark glass because light degrades the ricinoleic acid. And ricinoleic acid is the entire reason this works. So write this down. You want organic, cold press, hexane free, dark glass bottle, okay? And that is your checklist before you spend a single dollar. And if you want to know the brand I use, I put a link in the description box of this video so you can find exactly what I use. Now, mistake number 2. Your cloth situation is a mess. I know, because mine was too. I used to cut up old cotton t-shirts. I used old flannel pillowcases. I safety pinned things to my body. I woke up with oil on my sheets, on my pajamas, all over my bed. Sounds familiar? But here's the thing. A proper castor oil pack needs to be thick enough to hold oil, natural enough to release it slowly, and secure enough to stay in place while the heat does its work. And for years, none of us had a clean solution for that. But drum roll, brrr, there is one now. I found an amazing 12-pack. This is for castor oil, and I'll share the different ones. Let me show you. This one is for your liver, and I'm going to show you how to do it because you're going to actually literally be able to tie this on and literally secure it. They have one for your liver. They have one for your shoulder. They have one for your breasts. They have one for your kneecap, your feet. They even have one for your eyes. So this 12-pack, these are what you're going to use to put your castor oil in so that it can secure to your body. You can wrap it, you can walk around with it, and I will leave a description of this 12-pack in the description so that this is going to make it easy. You're not messing up your house, your room, your bed, your clothes. This is very important. So until now, this is what I use and what I now recommend to all of my clients. It is amazing. The one thing about what I just showed you, it's reusable. There's 12 reusable pieces. It's 100% organic cotton. And here is what makes the difference from anything I have ever used before. It is adjustable. So for instance, if you got to put one on your shoulder, you adjust it, you can switch it up. It wraps, it's just so great. So there's no more mess, there's no more pins, there's no more towels, nothing falling off, there's no mess. And it looks so well on you. And I use it. I actually put it on my grandson the other day because he called himself working out and hurt his shoulder. So we threw some purple cabbage, we threw some castor oil, and I wrapped the shoulder it around him. And in an hour or two, he was like, Mimi, I feel good. So again, that's one of the other mistakes. Now here's another beauty of the kit. You have two ways you can use it. You can apply the castor oil. So let me get the one that we're going to be using. You can apply the castor oil directly to this pack, or you can take a piece of natural cotton fabric, saturate that with the castor oil, and then place it on your skin, and then use this to wrap on top of it securely. Either way, it works beautifully. It just depends on your preference and what feels more comfortable for you. Now, remember, when I told you about targeting problem areas, joint inflammation, old injuries, scar tissue, now you have the right wrap. If you decide to get this one, you have the right wrap to single that one area out. And all of that is in one application. So the kit covers everything. And remember, it's reusable. So that's a very important step, because many people, when they do the castor oil pack, it's so messy, and then they stop doing it and you don't achieve what you should. So that's important. Okay, so mistake number 3, and this is probably why most of you get nothing out of it. You've tried these castor oil packs and nothing works. You are not using heat. Okay, if you're going to do a castor oil pack on anywhere that's hurting in your body, you need heat. If not, you're not using it correctly. Now, heat is not optional. Heat is the delivery system. Here is the science. The ricinoleic acid, and I always say that wrong, penetrates deep. It has multiple layers of tissue to go down into, but it needs help getting there. Heat increases circulation to the area. Heat opens the pores and dramatically increases the absorption rate of the oil into the tissue underneath. Without heat, you are just really essentially just moisturizing the surface of your skin. That's it. So here is what you need. You need a heating pad, not a hot water bottle and not a warm towel. A consistent, adjustable heating pad. Set it to medium. Place your saturated cloth liver pack directly on your liver area and secure it with the wrap, and then lay the heating pad on top for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, 30 to 45 minutes. That should be good. Now, you want to set a timer, you want to relax, and you want to let it work. And here is the timing piece most people miss. Do this before bed. Your liver is most metabolically active during your sleep cycle, and that's between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. according to traditional medicine and supported circadian rhythm research. So when you do your pack before bed, you are loading your liver with support right before its peak working hours. Now, that is not a coincidence. That is strategy, and that is science. Now, let's talk about mistake number 4. So I see this a lot, and people tell me this and they write about it. You did it twice and stopped because it didn't work for you. I hear you. I understand you were expecting to wake up the next morning with your hair growing and your skin glowing and your energy back. And when that didn't happen, you put the bottle away and you moved on to the next trend. But that is not how your body works. And trust me, this is not a trend. Castor oil has been used for thousands of years. Okay, but that is not how your body works. Your liver did not get overburdened overnight. Your lymphatic system did not get sluggish in a week. These are years of accumulation, and you are asking a castor oil pack to begin reversing that. That takes time. My protocol is 3 to 4 times per week for a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks. I mean, if you're doing things natural, it's not going to happen overnight, but it will work if you do it right. Everybody knows me. I say, trust the process. Now, that is when you start seeing the real consistent, undeniable changes in a few weeks. Skin clearing, digestion improving, energy returning, hair responding. Consistency is the protocol, and there is no substitute for that. So if you're looking for a quick fix, this is not for you. So let me give you the complete correct method right now. So get something to write down. And then I'm going to show you. I'm going to literally show you. I'm going to take this dress off, not in front of you, but I'm going to take this off and show you how I do it. Step 1, source your oil correctly. Organic, cold press, hexane-free, dark glass bottle. Step 2, use the Castor Oil Pack Wrap Kit. It's 100% organic, cotton, adjustable, reusable. I told you the link is in the description. Step 3, choose your application method, whether you're going to apply the castor oil directly onto the wrap and place on your skin, or you're going to saturate a piece of natural cotton fabric with the castor oil, place it on your skin, and use the wrap on top of it to secure it. Either method works. Choose what feels right for you. And step 4, I need you when you're doing this to be laying down. Place everything directly on your liver, on your right side, under the rib cage. Secure the wrap so it stays in place. And step 5, place your heating pad on top at medium heat. Step 6, leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. This is your rest time. And here's what I want to tell you. No cell phones should be near you when you're doing this. Let your nervous system drop into parasympathetic mode. That is rest and digest, because that is when your liver does its best work. Do this 3 to 4 nights per week. On the nights in between, if we're going to do it 3 to 4 nights a week, on the nights in between, we can still put some of that castor oil in the belly button, in the navel, okay, to keep the system moving. Now, that is your maintenance. That is the full protocol, and that is what works. And this is exactly where the wrap kit becomes a game changer. So watch how easily this adjusts and secures right here, okay? I'm gonna do it all for you right under the cage. Let's get started. Let me get my heating pad, let me change my clothes, and let me show you how this is done. So this is the one I'm going to use because this is great for a liver pack. It actually ties around the entire stomach area. But first we're going to pour our castor oil on our cotton cloth, and this one is 100% cotton and organic, and it doesn't bleed through. It's so thick and absorbent, it actually will absorb through, but it's not going to be runny. And then you're going to apply that cloth to your right side. Your rib cage is on the right side, and that's where your liver is. It's right there. And then you'll take your liver, your castor liver pack, and you're going to secure it with these Velcro straps, which I think is so wonderful. There's 2 of them, so you can fit it nice and snug where it fits you comfortably. And once you tie your Velcro straps on, you could walk around the house, you could do whatever. But normally when you're doing a liver pack or castor pack, you want to apply heat. So now I'm gonna go lay down, I'm gonna get my heating pad, and I'm gonna lay down for 30 to 40 minutes and enjoy this. This wrap kit is wonderful. It wasn't even messy. You have it for your eyes, you have it for your shoulder, for inflammation or pain, your stomach, your thigh, your knee, your feet, your hands, everything. It's perfect. You know, this is the setup I wish I had 20 years ago. And now, if you follow this, you do not have to figure it out the hard way. It's really easy, and it's something that you really need. I promise you, once you use this and use it this way, you will never go back to an old cloth, safety pins, plastic wrap, all of that ever again. Now, here's what I need you to understand. This pack is moving waste. It is stimulating lymphatic system. It is delivering that waste to your liver for processing. That's what this is doing. But if your liver is already overburdened, for many of you, it is. Trust me, I was that person. That waste is not going to clear as efficiently as it should. And you are going to wonder why you are not getting the results that you are expecting, or that your friend is expecting, or someone else is expecting. That's why before or alongside doing this protocol, you need to know the state of your liver. You need to know your personal detox barriers. And this is exactly why I created a free detox quiz. It takes 2 minutes, and that's if you want to do it. It helps to identify specific root causes that are keeping your body from clearing, from healing, or from your liver doing the job that it needs, or from responding. And once you know what your body needs, because it's a quiz, it's going to ask you questions, and from your answers, it's going to be able to help you support your liver and your body. in natural ways. So these are the things that I wanted you, I should have said to you in the first video, should have showed you how to make a castor oil pack, and I didn't, but I came back and showed you the pack, showed you the castor oil that I use and everything else. So now you have them. You have the right oil, you have the right wrap, you have the heat, you have the consistency, you have the timing. This is the protocol that I have been using for years, and hopefully this will help you use castor oil in a way because it's so amazing. 1,000 years of it being in existence speaks for itself. And I hope that this video helped you. If it did, please share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because I'm not done with you yet. There is so much more I want to show you. I'm Debbie Williams, and I'll see you in my next video.